I throw a salute. Another welcome for football and Pidgin. After match, talk am how you see am. Liverpool 1 and Manchester City 0. And we get our guys shots here in the smile, the thing they sweet am for body. I beg tell us why this result is sweet for body, Oga Shots.
Basically, why they sweet me now because Premier League they different from other leagues and they very competitive. For you, me when I be underdog, they talk people like Man City, Liverpool, Chelsea. I suppose it's mine now. 4 points not be beans. That one you need one draw and one win.
One loss.
One loss, you understand? Which for you to get 4 points before you feel near me. So I suppose it's mine. And the result, and a sweet one, I imagine somebody waiting number 2, they follow you back to back or lose. So I suppose it's mine. Now that one, I be my reason to smile today. This one I they call Blessed Sunday.
So you talking today on a blessed Sunday.
Yes, sir.
Arsenal win Leeds United 1-0. Some people talk say Arsenal get luck because the game tight where it be like match where be like say Leeds for even equalize. But they don't forget that equalizing goal. Arsenal still carry all the 3 points. Waka come up for Leeds Stadium where they call Elland Road. So but how you think say this result now when Man City don't lose their first game or their first loss of the season, so now be this loss. So how you think say this one will affect the title race? To you now, Arsenal now strong contender. Some people they talk say now play oh, say Arsenal they go still come down. But you think say this result now when Liverpool don't go collect that point from Man City and go affect the title race?
Basically, Arsenal are title contender for my side. You understand? But that one not mean say this result shake Man City. We all know who Man City be. Man City lose to a bigger side. Not be small picking Man City play. And you see the goal line now. Now 1-0 now be the goal margin. Not be say they call win Man City 3-0 or something like that. So Man City, you cannot write them off. You understand? Man City they still there. The way Arsenal still they pursue the title. Now so Man City still they pursue the title. So for now 50-50 for everybody. 50-50 in the sense that anybody can go on top. So for you to not say Arsenal they nearly lose. 1 point. Now 1 point. 3 points. Now 3 points. One go make 3 points. And the point we talk about. You feel score person 7-6, so that will not concern person. But as far as say you win. That one, I mean, that one now day after. Even though I want go, they score one go. As far as they get at 3 points, I'm okay with it.
So, but make I ask you now about Erling Haaland. We see the way they score since back-to-back goals, hat-trick like that, the bang again here. So, but what do you think say happened to Erling Haaland for this match?
Basically, I'm not sure say Haaland and I be the problem. You see that Man City midfield today, and Man City wing, he not sharp.
Not function well.
You understand? He not function well because if you see, maybe not because of Liverpool defense. So Liverpool get some tall defenders. So we say Van Dijk, the rest when they do for move midfield when they're tall. And again, I they believe say those people that they study Haaland positioning because if you see Haaland before you turn, you not see him again. Don't go position near goal. So when they cross ball give them before you don't put head or you don't put leg. So basically, I look and say, like say Liverpool, their defenders they're sharp today. So that one they don't study Haaland say if they carry the ball for head, may they attack Haaland. If they carry the ball, they cross and they come, may they near Haaland. If you watch the game, they near Haaland well. They not give Haaland space. So now that one, but that one not me say, oh no, that the Haaland not go knock out trick. They go knock him well. But Liverpool contend that guy well. That be the team when I see about Haaland today.
So, but about this Liverpool team now, some people they talk say with only Liverpool they play, say top 4 self go add them. But with this performance what you see against Man City today, we be like say now them be the best team for the league. You think say top 4 go add Liverpool?
No. Top 4 not go add Liverpool. Just like what I talk when you see how this man. I said the league now very strong league. Top 4 not go add Liverpool. You know why not go add Liverpool? Because if Liverpool don't pick that they are winning mentality, anybody where they jam, you will collect. If the person not collect, now draw, they go draw. You understand? Big team, not they add Liverpool to play. So the likes of the Chelsea, the Tottenham and the rest, dem fit still collect for Liverpool hand. And I believe say Liverpool no go fit lose match back to back if e hard well na draw, because you know say this league no be my league. So I no see Liverpool must finish top 4. Dem no go carry the league o, but that top 4 dem go finish am. So the likes of the Tottenham, they go know where they go sit down this season. Because we have come to stay. The Gunners has come to stay. That be the thing.
So, but before I go let you go now, Oga Chelsea, you na passionate football fan, passionate Arsenal fan.
Yes.
Tell us one reason why be like say you like Arsenal like this. We be like say you can't decide say na them you want support among all the other clubs. They're waiting for Premier League and for Spanish La Liga and for Italian Serie A and for German Bundesliga. Why you like Arsenal? Wait, just tell us one reason.
Well, basically, the thing just be like tradition. You understand? Not be today, I don't support Arsenal. We don't support Arsenal from the likes of the Kanu, Beckham, and the Lundberg and the rest. Now we don't support Arsenal, they come. So it just be like where we want go. We not get where we want go. Even when Arsenal ourselves not even dey in good form. Even when they go tell us, they go do us like say they don't carry the league, they call drop cover. We not get where we want go. They say if you beat your pikin with right hand, you draw with left hand. Arsenal don't beat us with right hand, they just use left hand K draws. I like their football. I like the club history. You understand? Wetin they do now. Now something we say everybody supposed like. We get boys, so we say some will not buy them, some will buy them with change. But now the club don't build them. They don't turn stars. They don't get market value. So all those are things. When I like the club, I like the club history, I like the club football, I like their pattern of play. You understand? They never see change that pattern of play. Even for Wenger time, Okorish now, we see they play that football. So there's nothing you will tell me about Arsenal where we say I go feel leave Arsenal. You just be like Chelsea fan now, say what are now, what are tomorrow, what are they lose. When say Chelsea fans, they're very impatient. Everything is sack. If you not go their way today, tomorrow they just tell you say, they sack this person. I don't feel leave my club. I just love the club naturally. Now, so my own just be.
All right, now, Oga Chelsea, thank you for your time.